like when you don't have enough time to plow the whole driveway, or you only got a few inches of fresh snow and you know there's more coming. This is a short, cheating way of getting by for the day. Make it safe for the Amazon delivery drivers delivering your products, and get the crap off the driveway from underneath where the wheel's gonna go. Next one is really important because you don't want to drive over the fresh snow, because that just makes ice that stays forever.
Baby, come back. Can't you see I'm on a losing streak? When I'm riding round the globe, and I'm doing this, and I'm signing that, and I'm trying, and I'm trying.
Alright, hope that helps. And if you still need to shovel all that snow, check out my other videos up there.